2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3 quick maths. Everyday man's in the class, doing problems. See that problem board, that problem is easy, thanks to Mr. Aim.
Hey CVA Integrated Math 3 students, you have to believe in yourself when no one else does, says Serena Williams, tennis champion. Mr. Frank, it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Yes guys, week number 20, January 10th to January 14th, 2022. We're going to start in Module 2, Polynomial and Polynomial Functions. Students will be able to graph and analyze power polynomials in their packets. Remember we talked about a new year and a fresh start? We're officially 50% done with the school year, 90 days left. We can add more subscribers to get you to your next bonus. Remember, eCadence is the official way to get and turn in your work. It is the unofficial grade. The official grade in this class is on Aries. Your next Thrively, which is 5% of your grade, is 350 points, which is just 20 more from what you did previously. So go to, that will be due at the end of the month. And also Khan Academy, you need 60 minutes, and when you're done with your work, you just watch 10 minutes a day, and you have that really quickly. Remember, your 10% of your grade is participation or attendance. Each week I give 5 points, and 1 point is just going to class on time, and 4 points is doing for the work of that week. If you're ever absent, you can get all 5 of your points, or your whole point for attendance, by just completing the CVA absent assignment. And if you ever need help, you can schedule an appointment at any time, even outside of the CVA office hours. Stay away from academic intervention. We talked about our central question. Okay, today, Monday, January 10th, I want you guys to complete this pretest, and in the pretest, I want you to complete just the red and the orange. So let's take a look at that. Here's a pretest. Basically, you're going to go through what you know. Right? Do you understand how to identify polynomials? You're doing the before part here, and you're doing this pretest. So you can show your work down here. It's a Google Forms, 10 questions, multiple choice, not graded for a grade, but it will grade it for you, and then you write down your score here. And then the orange, I want you to complete the launch the module video. It's going to talk about the environmental things. Turn on captions that may help you, and you're just going to fill in these blanks here. And then the part I do not want you to do, so don't do this part, this will be later, is the post test and the analysis you'll do later, not now. So you're just doing the red and the orange of 2.0. And then for the rest of the week, you're going to be doing 2.10, so red, orange, yellow, green. It's only meant to be about 20 to 25 minutes worth of work each day. So here's 2.1. So I have the red, so do everything till the next color. You watch this video, fill this out. Video number 2, kind of follow along, and video number 3 to help you do this and complete this part at the bottom, one thing you learned. And then the orange part, you have an introductory video here. And then for these questions, the video solutions, you just click there and it'll take you to my YouTube channel. Make sure you read the directions of these problems. Questions 3 to 6, you're going to complete 2, so you can skip 2. You can just cross it off if that's helpful. And then the yellow, you're going to find symmetry graphically. Here's a 12-minute intro video. It's going to help you fill out this top part. And then it tells you, read the directions, complete 3, so skip 3. Again, each problem has its video solution at the bottom there. And then symmetry algebraically, introduction here, it's going to take you 7 minutes. And then you're only going to do one of these with your video solution there. So what's a little bit different is I didn't have a complete long video. Each problem kind of has its own video solution. and then you need to watch this video at the end to complete this chart to kind of help you summarize the ideas. So that's what you're doing this week. Let me skip to next week. I wanted to note that on Monday there's no school because of Martin Luther King Jr. Day to celebrate his life. So CVA period 8, online learning for integrated math 3, I will not see you, but you can watch the week at a glance number 21 on the next day, so you kind of know what you need to do for the week, and I'll put links for each of those colors. Red light, yellow light, green light tells you, red light means it's late. That's when you turn it in this way. But if it's green or yellow, you still have a chance to turn it in on time. And this should actually not be yellow. Let me go and switch that. I'm going to check it later. So after class, you can... This is still considered green because it's not past the deadline. And those are your first assignments. So if you did those last semester, you don't have to do anything. You're going to get full credit, and also for the Beehive assignments. Last week I also just gave you guys the New Year goal setting worksheet, and then you're working on 2.0, 2.1, and I'll be releasing 2.2 next week. It's not going to be due for a couple weeks, but hey, you remember you made some mistakes last semester. You might just need to do math every day for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, so you don't forget it. And I think that's all I have for you guys. So when it becomes difficult, you might need to believe in yourself when no one else does. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Have you realized you didn't pass the test or quiz because you selected the wrong answer on accident? If yes, I have a solution for you that may help. Thou shalt check all thy work. This is out of the 10 Commandments, and it's a reminder to double check all your work. Struggle on math and need help? Subscribe and watch Mr. Ian's channel or his website.